What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to manage or how to add or remove or change rules from the admins of our LinkedIn page. Okay, so in a simple, fast and effective method, we're gonna learn how to add or remove people from our page to be able to manage the pages, create posts, see analytics, create other admins and important rules like this, all in a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, social media, and many more tips in order to choose internet on the site's favor. So let's get this started. First of all, move to our LinkedIn profile, and you go to one of your pages. I have two. I'm gonna move to my other page. Right here, you're gonna open up the page as admin. Okay, you must be an admin of your page. Okay, create a page, anything like this. And now we have this left sidebar of menus under the page logo type. So page name, followers, create, view as a member, feed, activity, analytics, edit page, and settings. We're gonna click right here on settings. Okay, right here we're gonna open up the settings menu, and the very first option for us, it's the most important: manage admins. Control who manages your page. Go right here and you're gonna be able to, for example, add a new admin. You can search for the person name, for example, and this person gonna receive into email and into as a notification on their LinkedIn profiles invitation to manage the page. Okay, not necessarily this person needs to be one of your friends, okay, or be in one of our circles on LinkedIn. After this, you're gonna be able to see what you want to make this person's be. For example, this person can be a super admin. This rule manages everything on the page. It's the only rule that can edit the page and manage all admins. This rule posts the content admin. Now this rule posts and manages content, comments, and the page, and expert analytics. And we have analyst. This rule only views and exports analytics. LinkedIn with limited access with third-party partner tools. Okay, so it's up to your needs. This one, it's very good for manage the page. Okay, it's one of my favorite options. And of course, you can remove this page. You remove this person from managing the page. For example, remove as a page admin. Click right here, and you're gonna remove this person as admin in the case that you want. And of course, you can re-add adding a new one. There is also paid media admins. Paid media admins create paid content for this page using other LinkedIn tools. They don't have access to admin view, so we can apply add paid media admins just like this. And we have options to enable sponsorship content poster, lead generator forms manager, and landing page admins. Okay, you can access these rules for this page as well. Simple, easy, effective, and works great to boost your LinkedIn profile page. Do you know that? Let me know into the comments. If you have any question left, feel free to use the comment section to share your opinion, your ideas, your tips, your LinkedIn profile page in order to share and promote it. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, or Anzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, Growth with 3 Ws, in order to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free, and connecting with a growing blogging community. Our Sites.gallery, that is a place where you can promote your site, your mobile app, your landing page, your game design, anything that you want, you can submit for free right here and be awarded and noticed by designers around the world. Okay, and as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, with premium blocks, assets, templates, tools, plugins, themes, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.